One of Georgia's biggest hotspots right now is one of its smaller counties. Phoebe Putney Memorial Hospital in Albany, that's in Dougherty County, says it's currently treating more than 100 patients who are either confirmed COVID-19 cases or suspected cases. 6 people have died there. Zach Merchant talked with the health system CEO this afternoon. Zach joins us live now to tell us what he had to say.
Frank, it was a dire warning from the leader of Phoebe Putney. He says his hospital system has been stockpiling supplies for months, and they burned through nearly all of them in just a week.
Phoebe Putney is a pretty large system in southwest Georgia, the largest, 8th largest in the state, and we feel like we were pretty well prepared. Thinking about China and what they were going through, we ordered a ton of supplies and hoping that we'd never have to use them. You know, thinking a small urban rural market wouldn't be hit very hard, and well, we were wrong.
The Phoebe Putney Health System is at the center of one of Georgia's hottest COVID-19 hot zones. The CEO, Scott Steiner, says the hospital currently has more than 100 inpatients with either positive or presumed positive cases. 6 people there have died.
Our systems are definitely stressed.
Steiner says his hospital ordered what would usually be 6 months worth of protective gear, like N95 respirator masks. They burned through nearly all of it in a week.
Normally we'd have 5 to 8 people in isolation because of whatever's going on. We've got almost 20 times that number today.
That surge has the hospital system nearing the end of their supplies.
You know, we've got about 5.5 days of N95 masks left at our current burn rate. We're burning more than 2,500 a day.
And replacing them is nearly impossible.
You can't find them. All of our normal sources that we normally are out, and they basically have said, we don't know, we don't think we will have any in the near future.
Instead, they're now trying to extend the lives of the protective gear they still do have, with home-sewn covers for the N95 masks that could let doctors and nurses use them more than once. Still, Steiner says he's optimistic.
Once somebody asked me if we were fearful, I said there is no fear in anybody's eyes and their faces here. We have determination.
And Steiner's message to others was clear. If you're somewhere where the virus's impact has not yet been too hard felt, do everything that you can to keep it that way, or at the very least, mitigate its impact when it does get there. Follow the guidelines, wash your hands, social distance. He says it's better to be proactive than to end up in a situation where things are very serious, like he says they are in Albany. Frank, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Zach. Steiner also confirmed that Medical Center Navicin Health in Macon has taken several of their COVID-19 patients and some other patients to try and help free up beds at Phoebe Putney in Albany.